Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub, and in this video we are discussing Master of Tourism and Travel Management course of IGNOU, and this is one is the MTT2 assignment. And before starting this questions answers, I want to share something. We providing all the solution of not this one, we are providing all other codes answers too, and this is the paid service. If you need answers of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, and you can contact us on this number 900 936 8238, and by message and call also. And the question number one of this assignment is explain human resource planning along with the objectives and need in tourism sector, and discuss the rate of return approach used for HRP. And the second one is define manpower demand, explain and compare macro forecasting and micro forecasting as techniques of forecasting manpower demand. And third one is explain need and purpose of human resource audit and what are the essential steps HRA. And fourth one is explain the concept of human resource accounting and the major factors which influence the choice of a human resource accounting system. And fifth one is what is the importance of job evolution process, or what are the methods of job evolution, and describe any method one of them. So that we have discussed, the five questions are here, and if you need answer of all the answers from 1 to 10 and one all other course too, and of other courses are also available, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and which is showing on your screen 900 936 8238. We provide all the solutions, you give, we solve, and this is the policy. And thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.